Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to see how to use get one invoice REST API in Postman. So earlier we saw this get all invoices API. If you didn't watch this video yet, you can go and watch this. I will provide this link in icon. So let's come with this another API, that is get one, and here you can see this is the get method and this is the API, and here you can see we need to provide invoices unique ID. So what it means, let's go and see. Like when we are using get all invoices, you can see here in this API, you are going to find invoice ID. This is the unique ID for each and every invoices. See here it is the different one. So this is the unique, and we need to use this unique ID while using the get one invoices. Okay, so let's go and check this. So for this also you need to provide first your Fusion application URL. Like here you can see this is our Fusion URL here, and rest of this are the our API, which is the get one API. So here at the end we can pass like this as well, and we can also pass like another way if we want to give this name. So you can do one thing, you can just write like this. So you have to provide your value here, and here you can see path variables. So this is our path variable, and from here we can pass the value, and value will be this. Anything we can take from this get all API, like get all invoices API. So now here you can paste this, and also you have to provide the authentication. Like same, we have to select auth type as basic auth, and we need to provide the user and password. So for this I'm going to use this user. So we need to take this, and here provide this user and the password. This is our password. So we will provide password as well, and now everything is done. So we can send this request. Here we are getting unauthorized. Let me see again. We are having the different base URL, so we need to replace from this. See here we are having the different one, so we will change this, and this is our corrected API. So now let's check this. Here you can see we get okay as an status of this API, and we get the all details of this API, like whatever the invoice number, invoice currency, and all the data of that invoice. This is called invoice details API. You can also say get one invoice details, and like this you can use this API, and you can use this API inside your integration as well. For that you also need to make the connection of REST. If you want to see how we are going to call this invoices inside our integration, how we will use this REST API, so please comment down. I will make the video for that also. So yeah, till then keep watching, and please subscribe my channel and like this video. I will see you in next video. Till then keep learning, keep watching. Bye bye.